Alright, we're taking the injector pipes off now, so we're nearly there. Sorry? What was that? Right, anyway, we're taking the injector pipes off now, and just hoping Clint will keep quiet for 2 minutes.
You got no hole!
There we go. Yeah, there's a wire on the heater plugs at the back here, alright. Undo the nut, take that off, and then there you go, alright. That's down there, okay. Now, you have a leak back here on injector number 1, alright. You can either undo it from the injector or from the back of the injector pump. Whichever way, you're going to have to change the copper washers, so what I would do is actually do the smallest one, alright. These pipes here, okay, your leak back pipes, I'll check them regularly, but if this has got any splits in it, change it, alright. Slip that off, okay. Because this is a plastic pipe, it'll split if you try to undo it there. Okay, so you get that out of the way. Alright, I'll take the banjo bolt out of there, and okay, next thing is take the rocker cover head off and the rocker bar.
Yeah? What time did you say God be here? About 2. About 2. Alright. She can't, it's not a problem.
Alright, so we got this far, okay. Now, it's a matter of removing the rocker bar, right, with the rockers, okay. That's retained by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 retainers. 2 of these are bolts and 3 of these are nuts on studs, alright. And pay attention when I lift this off. To keep all this together, I'm going to keep 2 bolts so I can put them in the slots in the ends of the bar, okay, and that'll keep all this together without it dropping out anywhere, alright. You do have springs in here, okay, you can see that holds the rockers in place, alright. There's also washers between the rockers, okay. You don't want to lose any of that, alright. They're all spaced nice and evenly at the moment, okay. Once we've lifted this off, we then can access the head bolts, alright, no problem. Alright, I'm about to lift the old rocker bar off. You can see at the studs either end here. Alright, now before we get too excited, what we want to do is stick a couple of bolts in either end. Alright, if you can find them. Alright, that will keep the rocker bar together, alright. That way you're not going to have an arseache if it goes ping and something drops off, alright. So, next thing to do, as I said, these caps on the top of the stems here on the valves, take them off, keep them in order. But you also want to keep push rods in order as well. Alright? But a little bit of advice as you pull them out, okay, just have a look and see if there's any carbon on them. Alright, that'll give you an indication if the head gasket's actually blown out this side. Alright. Alright. These actually look quite good. Alright, remove the push rods, kept them in order, alright? Front, okay. Helps the right front on there, so you remember which way it is. I always put an arrow on a bit of card, just pointing forwards, yeah? Basically you keep these in order.
What the cheap job?